Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Miami Bay and we're giving you an update on the Czech Miami Bay development. Now this development is so large, you could say they're building a mini Chinese city in Jamaica. It's 740 acres, a massive piece of land. This is probably the largest development in Jamaica. It's being done in phases. What we're looking at is phase one, completely sold out. And they're going to have six phases. So we are going to give you an update on what's happening here. But one thing I must say is this development is moving so quickly. I think the last update we did was probably 3 weeks ago or a month ago. And look at how far this development has progressed since then. This section seems to be the townhouses, but we're going to show you another section. And they built a massive lake for this development. We're going to go through the update and then we'll pause when we reach to the lake. The large-scale development being done by China Harbour Engineering Company at Miami Bay St. Anne has sparked intense national debate in Jamaica. Among the most striking claims surrounding the project is the description of the area as becoming a Chinese city. While this phrase has gained traction in public discourse, it reflects perception and anxiety more than legal or political reality. Still, the label reveals deeper concerns about land ownership, sovereignty, environmental protection, and the long-term direction of Jamaica's development. At its core, the Miami Bay project is a massive residential and mixed-use development proposed and led by Czech, a Chinese state-owned construction giant. The development spans hundreds of acres and is intended to include housing units, internal road networks, utilities, and commercial amenities. By Jamaican standards, it is a city scale in size, designed to accommodate thousands of residents once fully built out. This sheer scale is one reason why many Jamaicans refer to it as a city rather than a housing scheme. And this is another section of the development. The Chinese city label also arises from the identity of the developer. Czech is not a private foreign investor in the conventional sense, but a company owned by the Chinese state, with close ties to Beijing's global infrastructure strategy. Over the last 2 decades, Chinese firms have become deeply embedded in Jamaica's infrastructure landscape, constructing highways, bridges, ports, and government facilities. Miami Bay represents a shift from infrastructure delivery to long-term land-based real estate development, which feels more permanent and raises new sensitivities. However, in legal and governance terms, the Miami Bay development is not a Chinese city. The land remains within Jamaica's sovereign territory, subject to Jamaican law, planning regulation, taxation, and environmental oversight. There is no evidence of extraterritorial autonomy. In that sense, the real issue is not whether In that sense, the real issue is not whether Miami Bay is a Chinese city, but whether Jamaica can ensure that such developments remain Jamaican in purpose, benefit, and control, regardless of who provides the financing or construction expertise. All right, so this is the lake that we were talking about, and they seem to have something like a jogging trail in the middle of it. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like you can walk across it, so I'm just assuming it's a jogging trail. If anybody knows, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. All right, guys, this is a massive development. 740 acres is probably bigger than But I shouldn't say a city. It's bigger than some towns in Jamaica. And it's moving quickly. I really have to give credit to China Harbor Engineering Company. They are not only building this development, they own this development. This land was given to them by the Jamaican government as an incentive for them to come to Jamaica and build a highway. So they own the land, they own the development, and they are building it. Maybe that's why they are moving so quickly. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.